What will keep your kids productive this school year? High school clubs and after-school programs are being shut down across the country. Many programs are now using virtual platforms, but what kind of school year is spent in front of a screen? Students are tired of sitting in virtual classrooms all day, just listening to one teacher drone on. They're missing out on critical socializing and personal development. Don't quarantine your child's growth. We're the Leadership Society of Arizona, and for 7 years we've hosted life-changing motivational and leadership programs for teens. We help teens feel happier, less stressed, and more confident about their futures. Last summer, we released a virtual leadership program unlike any other. We did 3 things differently. 1. We shortened class periods to just 1 hour, and we limited the program to 20 students per class for smaller groups. 2. Students worked one-on-one with industry-certified leadership development coaches. Coaches help students set goals, manage stress, and create a more productive daily routine. 3. We used a state-of-the-art virtual platform that mimics face-to-face classrooms. Kids get the social interaction they need through activities, group discussions, and making new friends. In just 8 weeks, and working with over 80 students, we saw some incredible results. Students and parents both loved the program. Parents saw positive improvements, and students felt happier about themselves. And we're not stopping this school year. Even though we can't offer in-person workshops, we're continuing our online programs for students across the country. Real learning takes place in the real world, not online. So we're using technology to inspire kids to make something out of their school year every day. Visit leadaz.org/online to find out more about our new virtual program. Give us 1 hour each week, and we'll give your kids an unforgettable experience.